What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Man, today we got another Soul Supremacy beater box. This one is $1,240. $1,200 for the box, $40 for the shipping. Probably my second most expensive box of this year. Just y'all know how I get them, man. Like I never really know what I'm getting. I just hurry up, throw a box in my cart, and cash out. So this week is a $1,200 box. Man, most of the time you get Yeezys and all kind of cool stuff in these boxes when they come up to $1,000 or more. So hopefully, you know, we'll get something good. All this year, man, it's been great with the beater boxes, man. If you're new to the channel, these are nothing more, nothing less than just a mystery box full of kicks. I don't know when memberships are coming available. You have to follow them on Twitter for that information. Yeah, I have no idea, man. They always change it, so I stopped even trying to keep up with that for y'all. If you want to know about being a membership or getting a membership to be in the beater box community, you just got to follow them because I can't keep up with it. They too in and out with that, so I have no idea, man. Shout out to the people that have been hitting me up for beater boxes, man. I've been building beater boxes for some of you guys and shipping them all around the country. So if you're interested in a beater box, a mystery box of your own, you can hit me up on Gmail, TGOTSOLE@gmail.com, or you can DM me on Instagram. And I got them going for $550 all the way up to about $1,050, and I ship it out to you, man. So I just build them up, mystery boxes just like so, and ship them out. So appreciate those who've been ordering those from me. And yeah, we're gonna jump right into this one though. I'm trying to hurry up, man. I got some things I need to do tonight. Shooting these videos is it's pretty fun, but man, with a newborn in the house, shoot, you gotta get it while you can. We in there, $1,240. I'm already liking what I see right off the top. We're gonna start with this. My favorite box. Been my favorite box for about the last year and a half. Not my size though. We got a Vapor Max Fly Knit 2 and a size 8.5. Or the Orca joints. I do not have these in my collection. These are dope. These look to be dead stock too, so I'm not gonna pull out both of them. But these are dope, man. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know I love Vapor Maxes. I have a bunch of them. I have the Volt colorway like this, but if these would have been in my size, these would have been an instant keeper for me. These are just very, very dope to me. I know a lot of people hate Vapor Maxes. They're a winner for me though. We're gonna just go from the top to the bottom. Normally I try to save these brown boxes for the last, but since it's a $1,200 box, I don't know what I got in the bottom. We got a Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in a size 9. Looking at the colorway already, figured I had another blue tint. I got 2 pair of these in a size 9. These don't have the insoles in them. I don't know, you know what happened with that, but no insoles on these. Size 9. I have 2 pair, one with insoles. These don't have them. These are actually pretty lightly worn though. The Boost isn't that bad. These are actually in pretty good shape, just no insoles. Blue tint, you guys seen these a million times on my channel, so hit me up if you need them in a size 9. Got those over here. Another brown box, size 10. I haven't had this. I already know what this is from looking at the colorway. I haven't had this one. I don't even think I've seen these in person. Size 10, these are the statics. Still have the, I'm looking at the inside, they do have the insoles in them. With all the writing on them, these are in really good shape. We got the static Yeezy. These actually look pretty dang good in person. I haven't, like I said, I've never seen them in person. Seen plenty of pictures. I don't really go for releases and you know, all that stuff anymore, man. I'm so spoiled with these beater boxes. I know eventually I'm gonna get everything I need. Most of my collection came from a beater box or a trade I got from a shoe, you know, within a beater box. I don't know if you guys can see that. Still have all the writing on the inside. Pretty dope, man. Size 10. I'm gonna have to see if this right here will come off. I got some black, or so I don't know what that is. Hopefully that'll come out. These are really clean though. I'll put it down below if I was able to get that stain out. I know a lot of you guys are hitting me up about the last video if I got this stain out those Concords. I did lighten it up. I was not able to get the stain out, but I lightened it up and was able to move those. Jordan 1 mid, size 10. Man, new love, old love shoe. Size 10, Jordan 1 mid. I'm not a big fan of the mids, but these actually have some pretty good resale value. So it's not really a bad pickup at all. These are a size 10. If I didn't tell you, check out the bottom. Pre-owned. I like the black and yellow. Jumpman on the back. These will probably sell pretty quick, man. A lot of people are jumping on the Jordan 1 bandwagon. I'm a real Jordan 1 fan. I've been liking Jordan 1 since the beginning. So all y'all that's just now getting on the Jordan 1s, save some for the real ones who really like it. I'm just playing. Size 10 on those, man. Jordan 1 mids. We got about 4 pair left. We got a Nike Daybreak Undercover, 13.5 in women, 12 in men. I've seen these in another Beater Box members video. I've never seen these in person. They remind me of a Cortez. They actually pretty dope to me. I actually like these, man. I don't know what they're inspired by or who the designer is, but whoever did them, I wasn't sure if I like this big old thing on the back, but I don't know, I kind of like them. They're like a pretty cool little chill shit, so I don't know. Check those out. Size 12 in men, 13.5 in women. Am I saying that right? Yeah, 13.5 in women. Daybreak Undercovers. The bottoms, they look dead stock. They're not dead stock though, but they look, the bottoms, they look really clean. I just didn't know if I was gonna like this back end of them. This is like a plastic, a hard plastic. I don't know. I'm feeling them though. I mean, this is a big size. I wear 10.5 in these, so even in my size, they're gonna look even better because they're gonna be a little smaller. This kind of looks like a big, long, I don't know what you do with that. That's a big old shoe. Size 12. We got 3 pair left. I got an old Nike box. Up tempo, size 9, the Olympic joints. Size 9 on these. Not dead stock. These will move pretty quickly too. A lot of people love the up tempos. And these already have a price tag on them of 150 bucks. I had to look that up to see if that's valid or not, but check those out. The Olympic joints with the number 8 on the back. Let me back up, man. Maybe I'll be too close for y'all. I'm shooting this at nighttime too, so I don't have that daylight coming in. So hopefully this ring light is doing some damage, doing some pretty good work for me. Still have the insole writing, sticker on the inside and everything. These are in really good shape. Easy 9 out of 10 condition. With the original box. I got 2 pair left. I remember this box. This box, everybody going crazy for it now. If you're a LeBron fan, we got a LeBron 7, one of the best, arguably the best LeBron models to ever release. Oh man, we got the All-Star joints. These are hard. Pre-owned. If these would have been dead stock, that would have been crazy. These are pre-owned. They do have the insoles in them. These are a size 10. The All-Star joints. I just seen these on Instagram too. I forgot what page she had posted them, but I was thinking like, man, these are tough. These are from the 2010 All-Star. If you can see, you got East right there, and you got 2010 right there. Very dope, very great condition. I don't know what the value of these are, but I know they do hold some value. So not a bad pickup at all. That would have been crazy if they would have been dead stock. Size 10. Last up, we got a Nike SB. Nike SB saved the box last go around. So we got a Nike SB. Jordan 1. Oh snap, I know what these are. Had these before. I had these before, and I remember Mitch hit me up about them. SB Mitch hit me up about these. These, oh, I'm too excited over here. Size 8. Dead stock. A dead stock pair of the Lance Mountains. These are crazy. Yes. But the other pair I had was kind of worn. They were really worn. These are definitely the money shoe of the box. If you're unfamiliar with these, one rubs off to look like a bread, one rubs off to look like a royal. The more you wear them, I guess the more it wears off. These are dead stock. Check out the bottom, bread and royal. So this is somebody's grail shoe. These are definitely a grail worthy. Very clean, very dope. Happy to have them. I'm pretty sure these saved the box because I didn't pull out anything spectacular in this box until these. I'm not even sure how to rub this out. I'm pretty sure it's like rubbing alcohol or something like that. But I want to say the more you wear it, it just comes off on its own. You're a bold man to un-DS these. These things are still going for like $600 or $700. And this is a size 8, so this is like a money size, I'm sure. I mean, gotta be. Very dope. I think I might be, I only see the red laces. I'm not sure if they come with a blue lace. I don't know. I only have the red and black laces with them. I'm not sure if they come with blue laces or not. Just in case you order it, you will just be getting the red laces. Very, very dope shoe. That's a grail shoe, grail worthy. In a size 8, box in perfect condition. Nike SB saves the box for the second box in a row. The last time we had got those chicken and waffles, so that was a pretty good come up too. I still have those. Also, if you're interested in the size 10.5, hit me up. Go back and check out that video if you missed it. That's gonna conclude this box. $1,240, man. What you guys think? I'm pretty sure that the SB is gonna cover more than half of the box, or cover around half of the box. I have to do my research on them and see. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE. If you see anything in this video, all the prices will be with the shoe and the video and all that good stuff. The prices do include shipping, you know, across the country. I don't ship overseas right now, but across the country, that price down below is shipping, everything, PayPal fee, all of that. So make sure you hit me up. Follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE, TGOTSOLE@gmail.com. And I will have another box. FedEx is behind, I guess because of the holidays. FedEx are behind, they slow. I already got a box on the way, another one on the way, and hopefully it will be here soon. So these videos will be coming out back to back. So that's gonna conclude it. I'm done rambling. I'm out.